Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description, and that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is perfect for your gardening. And this was sent over by a company called Breenhill, and it is a folding garden stool or kneeler, if you will. Absolutely comfortable. And like I said, it's going to be perfect for helping your back and your knees when you are working in your garden. Because as you can see, spring is about to be here, and I'm going to need to get my garden in order. All my pots are empty, and I got a ton of weeds. So as you can see, I'm sitting on it, but you're also going to get a ton of stuff. So first off, you're going to get this nice little kind of tool bag. It's got plenty of pockets. You're gonna have 3 pockets on either side and then a pocket on either end. So you have plenty of places to put all your various tools. And then you have a big center in the middle. I absolutely love this because I utilize this for placing all my weeds. So it's very easy then to take this to the trash can and dump it when not utilizing it. But you can store all kinds of stuff in here if you wish. And it's got 2 nice little handles, all made out of a nice little canvasy material. And also has these elastic parts, so that way, like if you have a shovel in here, it makes it more secure. Now it is gonna come with a pair of one-size-fit gloves, the little gray guys here. They are coated on the underside to help keep that moisture out. So if you are digging in kind of wet soil or anything like that, you're gonna be nice and protected. A nice little elastic band, but basically a nice pair of gloves. Then you're gonna get the seat itself and a removable little pouch that can go on either side, whether you're left or right-handed. This is nice because it just slides over, and you're essentially gonna have 2 big pockets at the top and 2 little pockets down below. So once again, very easy to grab whatever tools you utilize. If I'm working just like in the bed, like behind me, I'll just basically use this. Unless I'm doing weeding, then I kind of use the bigger bag. But overall, then you can see the bench itself. So as I can see, I'm sitting on it. It is super, super comfortable. The first thing you'll notice is it has a really thick pad. It's about a ½ an inch worth of padding. So that makes it very, very comfortable when you're sitting on it. I absolutely like it as a sitting because if I'm working on my pots, it's better on my back per se. It's less bending over. But to give you an idea, this thing can hold up to 350 pounds. So it can hold a lot of weight. And then to give you an idea of the size, it is about 22 inches wide. It's about 10¼ inches in depth. And then when it's in seated position here, it's about 17½ inches tall. Now, the actual pad itself that I'm sitting on or that you kneel on is about 14 inches by 10 inches. But to turn it over, all you have to do is flip it over, and now it is a great little kneeler, and once again, protects your knees. You also have these nice little grips here, so you can easily push up and get off of it. It's designed so on either side, they have a little texture here, which keeps it from sliding around while utilizing it. Another nice aspect of it, all made out of a nice metal frame, so it's nice and sturdy and also resistant to rust. And it collapses very easy. So you're gonna see these little spring parts. You're simply gonna pull up on them, and then you're gonna fold them down. So when you're not utilizing it, you can either put it on a shelf nice and flat, or you can even hang it up if you wish, because there is a little gap here. So it's very nice and compact when you're not utilizing it, which is another nice aspect. Very lightweight, so it's also very easy to carry around. So it's not heavy or anything like that. So it's easy to move around your yard as you're utilizing it. But overall, if you are looking for a great gardening pad that can work for your needs or even use as a little bench, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.